Thank you very much,
Take another batch.
Mr. Chair. Thank you. On the issue of the diaspora, Mheshimiwa Gladys Sholei, through Mr. Chair, it is quite unfortunate that as we sit here, Kenyans have died and have been mistreated in some parts of the world where they go to seek employment. It is quite a shame. I found out that we've lost 85 Kenyans in the last 3 months, and about 1,000 have been repatriated, especially from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, where they have gone. I've looked into the matter and I've seen systematic failure in systems, from how they are recruited here and how they are led to operate when they get to Saudi Arabia and other places. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is a friendly country. We have an embassy there, they have an embassy here. The Kingdom and the government of Saudi Arabia are not involved in this. But there's a question that we're asking ourselves, and that is, a lot of Kenyans go overseas. They go to Qatar, they go to Dubai, United Arab Emirates, they go to Singapore, they go to many other countries, but yet they are dying in Saudi Arabia. There is a problem. I've seen a tendency where there is a blaming of the victims. I heard the other day some people saying the problem is with our girls. It's blaming the victims. It's very, very bad. There's a big problem, and if I am cleared and nominated, I'm cleared and then I'm sworn in, I'm going to ensure that we work with the labor team and the labor ministry to ensure there are systems in this country so that we are able to know who really needs to go overseas, how it is done. Are these girls trained? How do they get to go there? When they arrive in Saudi Arabia or other countries, do we monitor where they are, where they live, etc., etc.? I'm going to put stringent measures, and I'm going to make it my first trip overseas, if I'm approved and sworn in, will be to Saudi Arabia and the Gulf area, personally, to take care of this problem. But more so, we have lost 85 girls within the last 3 months. These are Kenyan citizens. These are Kenyans, and their deaths cannot be in vain. I'm going to work with the Minister of Interior. I'm going to work closely with the Saudi Arabian embassy and Saudi Arabian embassy and the government, so that we can even allow our DCI to go to Saudi Arabia with me and investigate each and every death that has occurred, so that each and every person who participated in the death of these girls is brought to book and charged. These are Kenyan lives. We need to send a message that no Kenyan will die overseas or get out overseas and the government does nothing about it. So I'm going to lead from the front and to ensure that this never happens again. But we're going to take care of some of the systematic failures that we have seen. Cartels that are operating here and other places, we'll take care of them and ensure that the life and sanctity of Kenyans is protected.